If you want to know how much YouTube paid me for a video that has 100k views, do well to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. And before we continue, I'm using my other channel as reference, so don't feel why you're talking about 100k views when you have 100k views. Just want to put that aside. So this video has 100k views, and the first thing you see when you tap on it is the video performance ranking by views. As at now is 1/10. The video is still 1/10 because this is the highest viewed video on my channel, and I've uploaded this video since July 2024 and it's still ranking first. Impression click-through rate is 6.6%. Average viewer duration 2 minutes 30 seconds, and that's because it's been almost a year that I've posted this video. Anyways, let's click on it and we'll be taken to the overview. Views is 100,586 views since it has been published. The watch time is 4.2 thousand watch time. So this one alone has given me monetized. If I was not monetized, this video would make me monetized. For subscribers, this video got me 2.5 thousand subscribers. That's a lot. Like this video alone, monetization straight, but it takes time. It did not just take up immediately. It took weeks, it took months before the thing actually pick up, and it is where it is right now. But I'm really grateful for this. The audience retention is, like I said, 2 minutes 30 seconds. That means 50% of viewers are still watching at around 30 seconds mark. The reach, wow, this video has 1.2 million impression. That means 1.2 people saw it, like it came on their own page. So those 100 plus people that viewed it, do you get? So like I said, impression click-through rate 6.6, views, you already know that. How viewers find this video. So you know, like in the beginning I said there are things I will mention that you actually learn to understand how your YouTube works or your video works. So if you want to really know, oh, this video that I posted, where is it coming from? Like, why are people watching it? You need to go to the how viewers find this video. So the top one is browse feature. But I clearly remember when this thing started picking up, it was YouTube recommendation that was the top. But now it is browse feature. People are searching for it and it is popping up. But when it started picking up, YouTube was recommending it. So you get, then suggested video, other YouTube features as the playlist, end screen, info card, direct or unknown, and other. Then we have external sites or app. We have WhatsApp, WhatsApp.com, WhatsApp business. So I think this video is being shared to WhatsApp, or I don't understand because I know I did not, I can't remember posting this on WhatsApp. But anyways, that's fine. YouTube search term. So what people are searching for that is actually making this video pop up is Black Ara, that's my name, how much YouTube paid me, and how much YouTube pays. So these are your keywords, these are your tags, these are your hashtags. So when you want to upload a video similar to this, you can use this how much hashtag, how much YouTube pays, or hashtag how much YouTube paid me, or just keywords, and you write it out. Because when you have all of those things in your description, it helps your video. Because when people search, the keywords in your video are what would allow your video pop up. So this should be something you note. This is another thing you're supposed to note down. So content suggesting this video. I don't want to click on it. So there are 5 videos. The first one is actually my video, and the second to the last is actually my video. Then others are for like other YouTubers. Why is my video suggesting this my video, you'd ask? And that's because there is playlist, there is end screen, and there's info card in place. I started this on my vlog channel because I just wanted to do something, right? It's not something I do. I upload vlogs on that channel and the video picks up. Until now it is my most viewed video. But I'm not like, okay, I started posting other videos because I felt people subscribe because they want to see more. So I started uploading more, and people were watching. It was those videos I uploaded during that period are one of my most viewed videos. It is now that I decided to, create another channel for this specifically, so I don't mix my vlogs and talking about YouTube growth. That's why you are seeing this channel right now. So If you want more eyes on your video, if you want your video to be recommending your video instead of other people's video, use your playlist. Put all of those videos in a playlist or separate them in a playlist. That's number one. Number two, use your end screen. Those are the last two videos or a singular video or even four video you might see at the end of a video you are watching. You just see and people say, oh, you can watch this, you can watch this. Those are what they call end screen. For info card, those are the things you see when you are watching a video and it will just show the title of a video. It might not show it's finished, but when you tap on it, it will just show the video where you can actually click and watch, or when you are done, you can click and watch. So those are the things you are supposed to do. And you notice that the next thing is playlist featuring this video. That's Let's Talk YouTube. That's the name of the playlist I created for me talking about YouTube growth under my vlog channel. So if you're interested, you can go there and watch because there are a lot of videos I actually created regarding YouTube growth. Don't waste time, just run there. For audience, we have it is not showing returning viewers and unique viewers because it's been a while we posted this, but you can see the graph and you can see that the graph is graphing. Next one is device type: mobile, computer, TV, tablet. That's that. For this age, for this particular video, we have from 13 years to 64 years that actually viewed this video. So this video touched plenty people, different age. It was not just specific to 18 to 34 like you typically see. It was from 13 to 64. The major one, the one that carried the highest votes, is 25 to 34 years old, then 18 to 24. That's really nice. So that means you need to create content that every age can actually watch. If a 13-year-old can watch a video, that means it is advertiser friendly. That also makes YouTube recommend your video to people of that age. Because if your video is not age friendly or something, it's not very recommended, and that means lower views for you. That's how it works. So when you want to make a video, look at it and be like, okay, is this a video that every age can actually watch? If it is yes, then you're good to go. Gender, male and female, of course. Top geographical location, we have Nigeria, we have Ghana, we have Kenya. So this top geographical location is what is part of the things that determines the money I get. That's the revenue. And you will see that, let me click on it to see if there's UK or US. Then after Kenya is United States and United Kingdom. But Nigeria is the highest, followed by Ghana, followed by Kenya. And those countries, they don't get high CPM because advertisers are not willing to actually pay high amounts to run their ads on your video. But if United States, United Kingdom are topping this chart, my money will have been top of the world. But you see why I'm saying all of these things, because what I made from this video compared to the views is nothing to write them about. But I'm grateful. So for the revenue, this video made $192, and the CPM is $4.89. Yes, $4.89. At a point, can you imagine? This video had a chance of making $555. I don't know how that works if they actually take a percentage of it, because as your videos stay longer on YouTube, the CPM changes, it increases and decreases like that, and most time it reduces and it just keep reducing, right? Or it just stays as it is. So I don't know if at those points when the video is having a good spike, they take a percentage and add it to your money. I don't know how it works, because I want to believe if at the point this video was having CPM of 555, then the RPM is supposed to be high at the point. You get, if it's high at a point, whatever amount I had that time times whatever, you get bob, because it is not static, it goes up and down. Is that my geographical location and every other thing that you know comes together to make up your CPM is static, or it is like a country where they are willing to pay high CPM. Maybe this is delicious. Just imagine 555 for CPM. Then RPM will be like, there's no how it can never be 100. It will be like 400. Hey, let me don't think far. But the point is, it is just sad because that's how creators abroad or YouTubers abroad make more money than people of the same level or people of the same category as them in other countries. Let's leave that alone. The RPM, just imagine, I have CPM of 4.89. RPM is 1.91. And I can bet it with you that it was lower than that before. So it is even increasing bit by bit, but it was freaking lower than that before. And that's why I have $192. But I'm very grateful because this actually made me got my first paycheck because I've been on YouTube for 4 years. I was monetized my first year on YouTube, and I did not make any money until my fourth year, which was this video that actually blew up and then gave me money. But I was just like, when I understood it well, I was like, if I was not in Nigeria, I was in the UK or in the US or other country that pays well, this video will be making me sweet money. Or I'm in Nigeria and my top geographical location is still US or UK, because I know some people that that's what is happening for them. Okay, so that's that about this video. I hope you're able to learn a lot, because I know I told you that I want to teach you some things. So if you do, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and join the community, because I upload videos talking about YouTube growth, earnings, and a lot of things you need to understand using my experience. So thank you so much. Bye.